Hey guys, it's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs and trying to troubleshoot a ceiling fan light not working. I have already taken out all the components, including opened up this bottom unit, which kind of has all the different splices and regulators and switches in it. And what you're looking for is, or what I started to look for, is the hot. So I have this black wire and blue wire. The black wire is providing the hot side to the fan, and then the blue wire is providing the hot side to the light switch. So I got a voltage checker here, and I have both switches on and power coming to. I just have the fan in the off setting. All right, so I'm showing that I have voltage coming through the black wire, which is associated to the fan. But then when I go to my blue wire, nothing. So I'm still troubleshooting, but what I suspect is, if you can see it there, there's a small rectangular box here, and that splices in from the blue hot side, converts it over to pink, and then that goes through the box and then goes out and provides the hot side to the switch down here, the on-off switch for the lights. So I think this is bad. This is most likely some type of regulator. With a fan, the fan takes that much more power and also creates noise. So this probably smooths out that side and just makes it so you're not gonna burn out your light bulbs from kind of variation going up and down in the hot side for the light. So I'm gonna remove that, but first what I'm gonna do is go hit the breaker. So I cut all the power off. I've troubleshot it enough. I have at least my first guess on what it could be. So I'm gonna turn it off, jump back in here, take that out, and see if we can get these lights working. So hopefully to make this one trip, I have set the fan on the lowest speeds possible. So I'm gonna run down, get to my breaker box, hit the breaker that I suspect is for this bedroom, and then when I come back up, the fan should be off to confirm no power coming to this space, especially if you don't have one of these voltage testers. Okay, so at the panel, and there's all varying degrees of completeness in terms of labeling. It says master bath here, so I'm gonna go with number 9. Again, sometimes this is a little bit of a guessing game, and the labels are right here on the outside. Go check and see if that fan's off. All right, got back up here, looks like it worked. If I stop this, all right, so no power. Let's jump back up there and I'll take out that regulator. All right, so now our power is off, and this is the small regulator that you're looking to remove. So what we'll do is we'll undo the little plastic quick connects. And I'm gonna try to order one of these. Not sure, some of these parts are not readily available, but for now, I'm just removing it to see if I can get these lights working again. If you remove it and you start really burning out a lot of the different light bulbs, well, then you might need to switch your unit or see if you can get a replacement. This is a Hunter Douglas, so I can call them or look online to see if I can just replace that. So what I'll do is I'll strip these and then just bring them together with a wire nut. Take off the quick disconnect. Take the insulation off. Okay, now I'm just going to bring those together with a simple wire nut. So now I got them both stripped. Bring those together with the wire nut. Make sure you get a good bite on both of those wires so it's not just twisting one and the other one pulls right out. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go hit the breaker and then see if these lights come back on. All right, so it went down and looks like everything's checking out. So I installed the rest of the light fixture. We now not only have a functioning fan, but our lights are back in business as well. So it looks like that removing that voltage regulator did the trick for our Hunter Douglas fan issue. If you like these sort of videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that like button. Again, my name is Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and thanks for stopping by. Take care.